Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Desi mutton. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You will need about 1 kilogram of fresh mutton, ideally from the leg or shoulder for the best texture. We'll also use a blend of common spices such as turmeric, red chili powder, and coriander powder. Don't forget the fresh aromatics: 2 large onions, 4 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of ginger, all crucial for authentic flavor. Next, we move to marination, a vital step for tender and flavorful mutton. Combine the mutton with plain yogurt, a generous amount of ginger garlic paste, and your chosen spice blend. Let this marinate for a minimum of 2 hours, or even overnight for deeper flavor. Then, heat about 4 tablespoons of oil in a heavy pot. Sear the marinated mutton over medium-high heat until it develops a beautiful brown crust, which usually takes around 10 minutes. Now, let's achieve that melt-in-your-mouth tenderness. After searing, add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes and 1 cup of water to the pot. This liquid will create a rich gravy. Cover the pot tightly and reduce the heat to low. Allow the mutton to simmer gently for 1.5 to 2 hours. Remember to stir it occasionally, perhaps every 20 to 30 minutes, to ensure even cooking and prevent any sticking to the bottom. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and serving. Once the mutton is fork tender and the gravy has thickened to your liking, remove it from the heat. Garnish generously with freshly chopped cilantro and a bright squeeze of lime juice for an extra zing. Serve this aromatic and rich Desi mutton curry piping hot alongside warm naan bread, fluffy basmati rice, or soft rotis. This recipe typically yields enough for 4 to 6 satisfying servings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.